So the first thing I do is create a NURB circle, and I'm going to rotate it. I'm going to do 90. It doesn't matter, you can do any direction you want. Just make it easier. And move over here. So next thing in here, I want to create a curve, and then from here, I'm just kind of go like this. Enter. I'm going to grab my circle, and I'm going to hold down C, and C will actually snap it to the line. And I use my middle mouse button. Okay. So next thing here, I select the line. This is selected and this selected. And then I will go into my where are you? Surfaces. We'll go into Extrude. I'm going to select two path components and polygons. Scroll down, quad, and depending on the length of this line, you might need more count than that. And all I do is just hit apply, and you got your circle. But what you could do now is go into my outliner. If I grab my circle, I can change the thickness like that. And if I grab this, and grab my lines there, and then I could move my curves how I want it. Okay, so that is how you make it.